This is what happens when you never change your engine oil, and why the choice between a $50 oil change and a $10,000 engine replacement is one of the most critical decisions you'll make as a car owner. The science behind oil degradation reveals a progressive destruction that transforms your engine from a precision machine into an expensive paperweight. Every car owner faces this choice, yet most don't understand the devastating chain reaction that begins the moment you skip that first oil change. We're about to examine the exact stages of engine destruction, the real dollar amounts involved, and the specific components that fail when oil turns from protector to destroyer. Let's start with what engine oil actually does, because understanding its role makes the consequences of neglect crystal clear. Engine oil serves 5 critical functions that keep your engine alive. First, it lubricates by forming a microscopic barrier between moving metal parts, preventing direct contact that would otherwise cause catastrophic wear. Second, it cools by helping transfer heat away from the combustion cycle, preventing your engine from literally cooking itself. Third, it cleans as oil circulates, capturing debris and carrying it to the filter, removing contamination from your engine's bloodstream. Fourth, oil protects by containing additives that stop corrosion and rust formation inside your engine. Finally, quality oil enhances fuel efficiency and engine power. Remove any one of these functions, and your engine begins its march toward destruction. But here's what most people don't realize. Oil doesn't just stop working one day. It undergoes a systematic breakdown that follows predictable stages, each more damaging than the last. According to the American Automotive Association, skipping oil changes is the most common and most damaging maintenance mistake drivers make. Skip them long enough, and you'll face complete engine failure, leaving you with only 2 options: costly rebuild or replacement. The science behind oil degradation reveals why this happens. Engine sludge formation results from a series of chemical reactions as lubricant breaks down when exposed to oxygen and elevated temperatures. 3 main culprits drive this destruction: oxidation, evaporation, and soot contamination. Oxidation occurs when oxygen attacks the lubricant molecule, breaking chemical bonds. Instead of complete combustion that would produce harmless carbon dioxide and water, the process creates smaller reactive chemical species that attack other lubricant molecules, causing them to polymerize. This polymerization makes molecules heavier and larger, creating resistance to flow and higher viscosity, what we call sludge. Oil can oxidize at rates of up to 10% for every 100-degree Fahrenheit increase in temperature. This means summer driving or stop-and-go traffic accelerates the destruction process exponentially. Now let's examine the financial reality of oil neglect. The numbers tell a stark story that every car owner needs to understand. A conventional oil change ranges from $30 to $50 when performed at a shop. Synthetic oil changes cost between $60 and $100. Some sources report average oil change costs between $142 and $170, depending on your vehicle. Compare this to engine replacement costs. On average, engine replacement runs between $5,000 and $10,000, but can vary dramatically. Recent data shows the average cost ranges from $6,287 to $12,878, depending on vehicle make and model. Used engines range from $600 to $6,000, while brand new engines cost $3,000 to $14,000 for the engine alone. Labor adds another $1,200 to $2,200, depending on vehicle complexity and required programming. Ford F-150 owners face engine replacement costs between $9,000 and $13,000. Luxury vehicles cost even more. A 2019 Audi A6 owner recently received a quote of $17,200 for engine replacement, nearly the car's entire value. Professional engine rebuilds typically cost $3,500 to $6,000, while remanufactured engines run $5,000 to $9,000 for mainstream vehicles. Even replacing a head gasket costs $1,000 to $3,000 on average. For commercial vehicles, the numbers become staggering. Semi-truck oil changes cost up to $400, but engine rebuilds start at $20,000 and can exceed $50,000 depending on the engine manufacturer. Let's put this in perspective. You could perform oil changes every 3,000 miles for over 60 years before spending what a single engine replacement costs. The math is brutally clear. Prevention is exponentially cheaper than repair. Most vehicles need oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for conventional oil, or 7,500 to 10,000 miles for synthetic oil. The old 3,000-mile rule originated in the 1960s, when oils were crude compared to today's formulations. Modern synthetic oils resist breaking down under extreme temperatures and keep engines cleaner, lasting 7,500 to 10,000 miles between changes. But here's a critical factor many drivers ignore: time-based degradation. Oil breaks down simply by aging, regardless of mileage. Many experts recommend changing oil every 6 to 12 months, even for low-mileage vehicles. Oil begins oxidizing and degrading as soon as it's exposed to operating conditions inside the engine. The rule of thumb is about 6 months, despite oil's typical shelf life of 5 years. This duration varies based on oil type, storage conditions, and environmental factors. Stop-and-go driving, frequent idling, and operation in extremely hot or cold weather accelerate sludge formation, especially with conventional oils. Short trips where engines don't reach full operating temperature cause moisture and fuel contamination, rapidly accelerating sludge formation. Now let's examine the progressive stages of engine destruction when you never change oil. Understanding these stages reveals why the damage becomes irreversible and expensive. Stage 1 begins with oil contamination and thickening. Dirt accumulates in the oil, initially filtered out, but eventually the filter clogs. When this happens, dirty oil automatically bypasses the filter through a relief valve. Oil that hasn't been changed for extended periods begins to gel or solidify, eventually turning into sludge. This marks the beginning of engine death. Stage 2 involves sludge formation throughout the engine. Engine oil sludge becomes a thick, gel-like deposit that forms when motor oil breaks down due to heat, contamination, and poor maintenance. This sludge clogs oil passages, reduces lubrication, and leads to severe engine damage. Oil sludge creates catastrophic buildup when moisture and high heat interact with contaminated engine oil. Many car owners don't recognize sludge buildup warning signs until it's too late, resulting in costly repairs or complete engine failure. Stage 3 brings oil starvation and component wear. When oil gels and turns to sludge, it can't reach all engine parts, leading to oil starvation in crankshafts, bearings, camshafts, and valve train components. This creates serious damage requiring engine replacement. The engine literally begins eating itself from the inside out. Stage 4 introduces overheating. As oil loses its lubricating properties, increased friction generates excessive heat. Over time, overheating warps engine parts, damages gaskets, or causes complete engine failure. Catastrophic overheating damage includes warped cylinders, damaged cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, or seized engines, necessitating costly repairs or full engine replacement. Stage 5 represents the final stage: engine seizure and complete failure. Engine failure happens over time, but becomes inevitable when oil is ignored for extended periods. With nothing preventing engine components from direct contact, metal-on-metal friction causes such severe damage that the engine seizes and stops working. At this point, damage is irreversible. Seized engines are beyond economical repair. In the most severe cases, critical engine parts break or weld together, rendering the engine unusable. Repairs become financially impractical, making engine replacement the only viable option. Specific engine components suffer predictable failures during oil neglect. Understanding which parts fail first helps explain why repairs become so expensive. Bearings fail early and catastrophically. When oil levels drop, main bearings, camshaft bearings, and connecting rod bearings lose lubrication. Friction heats these parts rapidly. Steel bearings can glow red hot within minutes and seize, often bending connecting rods or cracking the engine block. Connecting rod and main bearings have thin layers of soft metal that contact the crankshaft. As bearings wear, clearance increases, allowing oil to leak out and reducing pressure. Severe wear creates metal-to-metal contact, generating enough heat to seize the crankshaft. Turbochargers represent particularly expensive failures. More than 90% of turbocharger failures are oil-related, caused by either oil starvation or contamination. Insufficient lubrication within turbochargers causes catastrophic damage to bearing systems within seconds of operation. Modern turbochargers rotate at over 240,000 RPM. That's 4,000 rotations per second. This extreme speed makes proper oil lubrication absolutely critical. If oil levels are too low, the turbocharger fails. If wrong grade oil is used, the turbocharger fails. If oil becomes contaminated, the turbocharger fails. When turbochargers fail, they send metal shavings and debris into the engine, causing additional damage and costly repairs. Pistons, cylinders, and valves suffer extensive damage during oil-starved operation. Engine seize from overheating or lack of oil pressure, accompanied by broken piston rings, galled pistons and cylinder bores, overheated bearings, and scored cranks. This ultimately damages crank journals, rod ends, and main caps, components essential for engine function. Rods can fuse to the crank, causing pistons to break through the engine block side. This scenario represents an extremely expensive repair bill. Timing chains also suffer damage from oil neglect. Inadequate lubrication causes sludge formation, bearing wear, cylinder wall scoring, metal-on-metal friction, timing chain damage, and ultimately complete engine failure. Recognizing warning signs of oil neglect can prevent catastrophic damage, but only if you act immediately. Visual and auditory symptoms provide early warnings before complete failure. If you hear peculiar sounds from your engine, ticking, knocking, or grinding, your oil may have lost effectiveness. Neglecting these noises leads to increased wear and severe engine damage. Knocking, ticking, or grinding sounds indicate your engine runs without adequate lubrication. If you hear these noises, stop driving immediately and schedule an oil change to prevent engine failure. Blue smoke often indicates oil leaking into the combustion chamber, where it burns with fuel, resulting from old oil or worn seals. White smoke can stem from various issues, but commonly results from neglected oil maintenance. If oil on your dipstick appears pitch black, thick, or smells burnt, these are urgent signs requiring immediate oil change. Dashboard warnings provide final alerts before catastrophic failure. When your oil light illuminates, oil level or pressure is dangerously low. This light represents an urgent warning requiring immediate professional attention. Certain factors accelerate oil degradation, making regular changes even more critical. Stop-and-go driving, frequent long-term idling, and operation in extremely hot or cold weather increase sludge and varnish likelihood, especially with conventional oils. Short trips and stop-and-go driving prevent engines from reaching full operating temperature, causing moisture and fuel contamination that accelerates sludge formation. Oil has maximum operating temperatures, typically around 250 degrees Fahrenheit for conventional oils, higher for synthetics. Real-world examples demonstrate the devastating consequences of oil neglect. One driver experienced complete engine seizure after 25 minutes of country road driving. When attempting to accelerate, the rear wheels simply stopped. Investigation revealed a broken oil line that caused complete oil loss. The dipstick showed no oil, and the engine had seized completely. This driver learned the hard way that engines can seize within minutes of oil loss. Engine longevity statistics reveal the importance of proper maintenance. An engine consistently serviced with fresh, high-quality oil can easily last hundreds of thousands of miles. An engine frequently run on old, contaminated oil struggles to reach 100,000 miles without major problems. A properly maintained rebuilt engine can run another 500,000 miles or more. Regular oil changes maintain not just engine performance but also vehicle warranty coverage. If you don't change oil at recommended intervals, you could void your warranty, leaving you responsible for costly repairs. Manufacturers ensure warranty coverage only if you follow recommended maintenance schedules. Without proper servicing, warranty becomes void, potentially leaving you with unreimbursed engine damage costs. Neglected oil also reduces fuel efficiency, increasing operational costs at the pump. Old oil leads to overheating, internal component damage, and shortened vehicle lifespan. A chronological timeline reveals what happens when you never change oil. From 0 to 5,000 miles, oil begins darkening as it collects combustion byproducts but remains functional. Between 5,000 and 10,000 miles, oil additives begin depleting, viscosity changes, and efficiency decreases. Beyond 10,000 miles, increasingly dirty oil stops lubricating effectively, causing rapid engine wear and failure. However, this isn't immediate. You must run the same oil for many thousands of miles before catastrophic failure occurs. Forgetting one oil change and exceeding recommended intervals by 500 miles won't destroy your engine. Long-term neglect tells a different story. Consistent negligence exponentially increases irreversible damage likelihood over time. Sludge buildup and component wear set a timer on your engine's life expectancy. Once damage reaches critical thresholds, there's often no turning back without significant financial expenditure on repairs or replacement. Complete failure occurs when car engines seize from lack of oil or circulation, especially while driving. At this point, your engine is likely destroyed and requires rebuilding or replacement, salvaging whatever components remain usable. Prevention remains exponentially cheaper than repair. The best thing you can do for any engine, new or newly replaced, is change oil as often as the manufacturer recommends. Following regular maintenance routines ensures longevity. You can prolong engine life by adhering to owner's manual maintenance schedules, being gentle during operation, and promptly investigating suspicious noises or behaviors. Modern direct-injection turbocharged engines require particular attention to oil change intervals and synthetic oil use. These engines operate under higher stresses and temperatures, making quality lubrication even more critical. The choice between a $50 oil change and a $10,000 engine replacement represents one of the clearest cost-benefit decisions in car ownership. The science is unambiguous. Oil degradation follows predictable stages leading to inevitable engine destruction. The timeline is measurable. Neglect oil changes long enough, and catastrophic failure becomes certain. Your engine depends entirely on oil for survival. Without it, precision-machined components designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles become expensive scrap metal within minutes. The mathematics are brutal but simple. Prevention costs pennies per mile, while replacement costs thousands per mile driven after failure. Every time you delay an oil change, you're essentially gambling with a $10,000 bet. The house always wins this bet. Engines always lose when oil loses its ability to protect them. The only question is whether you'll pay $50 for prevention or $10,000 for the inevitable consequence of neglect. The research is clear. The consequences are predictable, and the choice is yours. Change your oil regularly, or prepare for the devastating financial reality of complete engine failure. Your engine's life expectancy depends entirely on the decision you make at every oil change interval.